Anyways, this is Discovery Skills, so Virus Gabriel film series here. You know, and my dad just asked me about helpline finders to talked about the doctors. And just finally told me to say hello there, just how you doing? Good, how are you? Just doing well. You know, I just got coughing and from running nose from yesterday. You know, I just wanted to film in here from this bathroom right now. You know, just wanted to make sure to be careful on this people in the bathroom. You know, what kind of that means too. I want to know you wanted to make sure to be careful while your throat hurting, okay? I just want to say, no talking are allowed here on this door, on this doctor, this appointment, and the work and the Walmart. You know, anything that could be asked to be a problem is, I look like about the lost voice right now. I can't believe it. I just wanted to say, my dad's a dick man. What the fuck? Fuck, dude. You know what it is, you know, it's just sad. Yoshi came upstairs to my room in the hallway. I grabbed him, I just threw him into the living room. I blocked out the two fans and the pillows. And I just wanted to block there on the beef side with the couch and sofa too. For the last few weeks, you know, at that dinner that means too. Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry guys. I can't believe you guys, so you know, I can't say that this crap. But I can't talk with those people like that. I use my sign language, English, British, Spanish, Mexican, and French, and Korean, and Japanese, and Chinese. That's what I speak language for. You know, I do have one of you guys say, I'm sorry for my fans of who I am. I can't believe this is crap. Sorry. My dad just freaked out when doing my the test. Then I applied. Nomadic Dad freaks out when my videoing just on my YouTube channel. You know, Nomadic Dad is back from Nelma, New Jersey. He's alive. He says it's fake. He's alive. Stays 14 in Switzerland. Jesse freaks out, and Uncle Larry, Teresa, and Jeff. And Jeffrey knows that don't freak out for Jesse. No matter what, sometimes so guys are gonna just say this crap. You know what it means too. So I don't like to be talking about for last few days. I'm not sure it doesn't have very matters what. That's kind of the whisper for not so loud in there. So the doctors people can't see this. They can't hear it when I stop yelling. Okay? So all the time, all I have to do is kinda have to really, I'm not sure, didn't even believe you. I just wanted to say that, you know, stay with you for your friends, your family. Sometimes you get into the fortunate as an attorney, as failure. Please don't go inside every year. Only think it is all about for 1 or 2 to 3 days. You want to know to make sure that try not to be yelling, and it will cause to get a sore throat, sneezing, and coughing, the bronchitis. If you get trouble breathing, you'll go to the Nomadic and record, and some of the doctor stuff for the Meridian is just called schemo-free. Okay. I do have it and wanted to say, I know how Jeffrey feels. I know how he feels. I didn't want to know to wanted to say this crap. It's true. My brother didn't freak out all the time. My brothers too. Fuck my nomadic dad. What the fuck did you do? I can't believe you. What ails him? Always the same thing once together. Yeah. Son of a bitch. Stay out of it. You'll get fat ass. You'll get your ass out of there to my life. Okay? So don't even think about it. Nomadic path, nomadic family, nomadic cousin, and nomadic families of friends that changes, and the parties ever caused me about sick disease. Okay? I am dying here very soon. I am fucking dying. Okay? I didn't do anything to you, your stupidity, your whole life. You have a very big ass thing. I just wanted to be filming in the bathroom and under the men's bathroom. And I just locked at the door. I just wanted to be safe very carefully. If I didn't believe you, you'll suck out. Because I'm suck. I'm sucking at this ass. I didn't know it. I wanted to believe you. What was it? Yoshi can't hear it. I want him dead for now. Yoshi can't come back. I would life in the world. Not for all. I just got the phones away. I phone away for the Yoshi's her. My dad's is older than my mom. She's 32 to 36-year-old pregnant. They have a baby. Oh man. She's supposed to be the 23. She's supposed to be the 22 years old, getting pregnant. 24 to 25, 22 to 25-year-old pregnant. Come on, Mom. You're gonna be younger. You gotta be you gotta be changed or born in 1971. You know what, Dad? You too, Dad. You gotta be changed or born in 1968. You're back in. You are very back in. Do you understand? This is not a prank. This is not funny. This is not a game. That's the whole plan. It's just a whole do. It's a whole life on this day. Well, I'm sick. I'm not working tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I have no longer to get to the meal then. I have no longer to go into church every weekend and Saturday. Ever. I'm imprisoned. Employee means imprisoned for the rest of our life. Not much more. That is not to be good enough. Sorry. It's stupid. I had to real things that my sister, my brother, my mom and dad will leave me alone all the time. I just want to be packed up. I just want to be packed up my clothes, socks, underwear, the pants, shirts too, and my toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoos, and body wash, and aloe vera, and all of the equipment anytime in my bag. I just wanted to make sure to say goodbye, to see you guys for 4 to 5 weeks. Okay? He decided to be back there for 5 more weeks. You got me to misunderstand. You know, Nomadic Dad kicked out of my house. I got it packed up. I gotta make sure it be packed up for the clothes. Packed for clothes. Anytime. I need to see you all the time. All the shirts did have to really believe you. I didn't notice. I really noticed. I did wanted to believe you. I just wanted to be filming in that bathroom on this door. And this female is on illegally to really be careful. I wanted to say in the shores. Don't see no security cameras. Don't see anything. Oh, it's not a TV shows. I'm not sure did have police have security cameras on it. Didn't good. I really good on it. Okay, maybe still ready to subscribe to more contests. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Google, and Twitch, and Vines. The gaming stores, the druggy stores, pie to the door, you made it all the time. You know, what kind of that means too? Gotta have to really make sure to be careful just so all the time. Just go to doctors, go to Costco, the flu shot. Someone else it could be about keep breathing all the time. Work it out every day, every week, every month, every year. So homework today, long homework to do is math, reading, and writing all the time. So you messed up for reading. So you mess up for homework. Be home about afternoon to 4:30. Do you understand? Okay, don't forget, keep it pyramids.